Hello everyone! I know how much you all miss your teachers. And I want you to know that we miss you way more. That's why today I'm not the only one who's going to give you an example on how to use comparative adjectives correctly in a sentence. Guess who's going to be a part of that too? Surprise!
My baby's skin is softer than mine.
Nice work, Mrs. Sandra. By the way, baby George is so lovely.
My laptop is cheaper than my brother's laptop.
Good job. Here's an A+ to Miss Miriam.
My daughter's craft is more creative than mine.
Yeah, you did it. Bravo, Mrs. Pauline. Excellent artwork, Sarah.
My aunt is cute than me.
Good job, Cherbil. You earned a gold star. By the way, it was really nice to see you, Miss Emme.
My cell phone is more expensive than my mom's cell phone.
Nice one, Crystal. By the way, you resemble Mrs. Lisa a lot.
I'm taller than my daughters.
Fantastic, Mrs. Rada. Hello, beautiful Sama and Nai.
Christina is stronger than me.
Ouch, that really hurts, Christina. Today's advice, keep distance to stay safe. Now it's your turn to shoot your own video. I love you the most. Oh, I have just used a superlative adjective, the most. Goodbye, my amazing students.